Another year, another Galaxy Unpacked. The anticipation is palpable, the stage is set, and the world is watching. This time the stakes feel higher than ever before. The pressure to innovate, to truly push the boundaries of what's possible, is immense. The lights dim in Seoul, a hush falls over the crowd, and the digital curtain begins to rise. Anticipation is thick in the air, a tangible energy that crackles with excitement and expectation. Every eye is glued to the stage, every phone is poised to capture the moment. Months of leaks, rumors, and speculation have all led to this very moment. The internet has been buzzing with whispers of groundbreaking features and revolutionary designs. July 18, 2025. A date circled on calendars across the globe, a day marked for a potential shift in the technological landscape. Samsung faces fierce competition in an increasingly crowded market. Rivals are nipping at their heels, each vying for a piece of the pie. And there are high expectations for real innovation, not just minor upgrades disguised as something new. Consumers are demanding more, and Samsung needs to deliver. This year's theme? A carefully curated message designed to resonate with the modern tech enthusiast. Intelligent integration, the seamless blending of hardware and software to create a truly intuitive experience, and AI-powered experiences that anticipate your needs and adapt to your lifestyle. The promise of a smarter, more connected future. The goal is to make tech seamless, so intuitive that it fades into the background of your life. It's about devices, a whole ecosystem of interconnected gadgets, phones, watches, tablets, and more, all working in harmony, working together so smoothly that the technology becomes an extension of yourself. The tech fades into the background, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The pressure is on Samsung to deliver on these promises. Fans, journalists, and content creators from around the globe are all watching, ready to dissect every detail and share their reactions with the world. Unpacked isn't just a product launch, it's more than just unveiling new gadgets. It's a cultural moment, a spectacle that captures the imagination of millions. That sets the tone for the entire industry, influencing trends and shaping the future of technology. The pre-show hype teases silhouettes of new devices, hinting at what's to come. Futuristic uses, applications that seem straight out of science fiction, and buzzwords like next-gen AI promising a new era of intelligent devices, and seamless connectivity, a world where devices communicate effortlessly. But the real question that everyone is asking, will Samsung deliver true innovation, something genuinely groundbreaking, or just another round of spec bumps, incremental improvements that fail to excite? The energy is electric, a palpable buzz that fills the venue. The crowd is ready, eager to witness the future unfold. And the show is about to begin, the moment of truth is at hand. Let's break down what Samsung announced, dissecting each new product and feature, piece by piece, examining the details and uncovering the hidden potential. This is their chance to prove they can lead the way, setting the standard for others to follow. Not just follow the trends, but to create them. The world is watching with bated breath, anticipating the next big thing. To see if Samsung's vision matches reality, if the hype lives up to the substance. Will this be a turning point in the industry, a moment that redefines what's possible, or just another chapter in the ongoing saga of technological evolution? Let's dive in and find out. And the spotlight opens on the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, Samsung's latest contenders in the high-stakes world of premium smartphones. Get ready to witness a fusion of cutting-edge technology and refined design, as we delve into what makes these devices stand out from the crowd. This isn't just about incremental upgrades, it's a bold step forward, redefining the smartphone experience. Samsung's new flagships. These phones represent the pinnacle of Samsung's mobile innovation, showcasing the best of what they have to offer. We're talking about top-tier performance, stunning visuals, and a suite of intelligent features designed to simplify and enhance your daily life. The design is a refined evolution, a testament to Samsung's commitment to creating devices that are as beautiful as they are functional. Every curve, every line, has been carefully considered to create a seamless and immersive user experience. Flat edges, Armor Aluminum 2.0, providing exceptional durability and a premium feel in the hand. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a device that can withstand the rigors of daily life while maintaining its elegant appearance. Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and minimalist camera lenses. The camera system is seamlessly integrated into the design, creating a clean and uncluttered look. It's a design that speaks volumes without being overly ostentatious. New matte finishes in terracotta and ocean blue, offering a sophisticated and understated aesthetic. These colors are designed to complement your personal style, allowing you to express yourself through your technology. Add a fresh touch. But it's not just about looks, these phones are powerhouses under the hood. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, or Exynos 2500 in some regions, powers both models, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, these phones can handle anything you throw at them, promising major performance and AI gains. The integration of AI is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental aspect of the S25 series, enhancing everything from camera performance to battery life. On-device AI features are faster and more private, ensuring your data stays secure and your experience remains personalized. This allows for real-time processing and analysis without relying on cloud connectivity, thanks to improved cooling and silicon. This advanced thermal management system keeps the phone running smoothly even under heavy loads, preventing overheating and ensuring consistent performance. Displays are nearly all screen, providing an immersive viewing experience that draws you into your content. The bezels are minimized to create a seamless and expansive display, with peak brightness hitting 3000 nits, making them easy to see anywhere. Whether you're under direct sunlight or in a dimly lit room, the display adapts to provide optimal visibility. Dynamic AMOLED 2X panels and 1 to 120 Hz refresh rates keep everything smooth. Scrolling, gaming, and navigating the interface are all incredibly fluid and responsive. Cameras get modest hardware upgrades, refining the already impressive capabilities of previous generations. But the real leap is in software. ProVisual Engine 2.0 brings better low-light natural colors and AI editing tools. Unleash your inner photographer with a suite of intelligent features that make it easier than ever to capture stunning images. You can now remove reflections or even change the time of day in photos with a tap. These AI-powered tools allow you to transform your photos with ease, creating stunning visuals that are sure to impress. Samsung is betting big on computational photography to stand out. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with mobile photography, creating a truly unique and innovative experience. The S25 series isn't just about specs, it's about smarter, more useful features. It's about creating a device that anticipates your needs and simplifies your life. This is Samsung's answer to what a flagship should be in 2025, a device that seamlessly blends power, beauty, and intelligence to create a truly exceptional user experience. Prepare to be amazed. Enter the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. Samsung's ultimate showcase, a culmination of years of research, development, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement, a testament to what's possible when innovation knows no bounds. The new titanium frame is lighter and stronger, providing unparalleled durability and a premium feel in your hand. It's not just about strength, it's about elegance and sophistication, with softened corners for comfort. The design is meticulously crafted to fit seamlessly into your life, making every interaction a pleasure. It's a phone you'll want to hold, a phone that feels like an extension of yourself. The flat display returns, offering a more immersive viewing experience and enhanced usability. Say goodbye to accidental touches and hello to a screen that's designed for productivity and entertainment. Now with a subtle edge curve for smoother gestures. Navigating your phone has never been easier or more intuitive. The curved edges blend seamlessly into the frame, creating a truly immersive and ergonomic design. The camera system is overhauled, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Capture stunning photos and videos with unparalleled clarity and detail. Every shot is a masterpiece thanks to cutting-edge technology and innovative features. A 50MP variable 5x10x optical zoom lens, bringing distant subjects closer than ever before. Zoom in with confidence knowing that you'll capture every detail with exceptional clarity. Replaces the old 10x, offering a more versatile and powerful zoom experience. The new lens provides a wider range of zoom capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any situation, offering lossless quality across the range. No matter how far you zoom, your photos will remain sharp and detailed. Say goodbye to blurry, pixelated zoom shots and hello to professional quality images. The 200MP main sensor is improved for better light, capturing stunning detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Experience the power of a professional-grade camera in your pocket. And AI zoom clarity cleans up shots even at extreme zoom. The power of AI enhances every photo, ensuring that your memories are captured in the best possible light. Let the AI do the work so you can focus on capturing the moment. the S Pen is faster, more responsive, and more intuitive than ever before. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the ultimate tool for note-taking, drawing, and more. With AI Note, assist transcribing and summarizing notes in real time. Transform your handwritten notes into organized, searchable documents with ease. The S Pen and AI Note Assist work together to make your life easier and more productive. Power comes from an exclusive, higher-clocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, delivering unparalleled performance and responsiveness. Experience the speed and power you need to tackle any task, from gaming to video editing. Up to 16 GB RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless performance even with the most demanding apps. Run multiple apps at once without lag or slowdown, thanks to the massive amount of RAM. And a 500 mAh battery providing all-day power and beyond. Stay connected, entertained, and productive without worrying about running out of battery. Samsung claims 2-day life and 65W fast charging. Power up your phone in minutes and enjoy hours of usage. Spend less time charging and more time doing what you love. New Air Actions let you control third-party apps with gestures. Interact with your phone in a whole new way without even touching the screen. Control your music, browse the web, and more with simple hand movements. The S25 Ultra is a true flagship, representing the pinnacle of mobile technology. It's a device that's designed to impress, from its stunning design to its unparalleled performance. Packed with innovation and power, experience the future of mobile technology today. Samsung's foldables get their biggest leap yet. The Z Fold 7 is thinner, lighter, and folds flat with a new hinge, no more gap. The cover screen is wider, and the inner display's crease is barely visible thanks to Iron Flex tech. The Z Flip 7's Flex window now covers almost the whole front, running full apps and widgets without opening the phone. Both run the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with upgraded cameras and IPX8 water resistance. Fold 7 gets S25 Plus level cameras, Flip 7 gets a new 50MP main sensor. Foldables are now mainstream, not niche, refined for everyday use. The Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Pro bring sleek design and the return of the beloved rotating bezel. The headline, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, real-time estimates, no finger pricks. Upgraded bioactive sensors track heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep apnea risk. Wear OS 5 with One UI 6. Watch delivers faster, longer battery life, up to 3 days on Pro. The watch acts as a smart controller for your Galaxy devices, syncing timers, calls, and audio. The Watch 8 is now a true health hub and ecosystem remote. The Tab S10 series unifies design with flat sides and minimalist cameras. All models get dynamic AMOLED, 2x displays, even the base Tab S10. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 powers the lineup with the Ultra model positioned as a laptop replacement. Enhanced DeX, bigger keyboard, and better multitasking blur the line between tablet and laptop. Continuity Canvas lets you pick up projects across devices, and S Pen is more responsive than ever. The Tab S10 is now a productivity, creativity, and media powerhouse. One UI 7, built on Android 15, is all about intelligence and seamless connectivity. Galaxy AI 2.0 powers on-device features, live call translation, smarter chat assist, and AI photo staging. Multi-control and quick share make moving files and data between devices effortless. Private Share uses blockchain for secure temporary file links. Samsung promises 7 years of OS and security updates. Long-term value for users. One UI 7 is the invisible layer that unifies the Galaxy ecosystem. Samsung's One More Thing is the Galaxy Ring, a discreet always-on health tracker. Made of titanium, it's light, comfortable, and comes in 3 colors. The ring tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, and skin temperature, focusing on sleep and recovery. Data feeds into Samsung Health, generating a readiness score and daily recommendations. No screen, no distractions, just up to 9 days of battery life. The Ring can control music or presentations with gestures and integrates with your other Galaxy devices. It complements, not replaces, the smartwatch, offering deep health insights for those who want simplicity. The Galaxy Ring is Samsung's bold step into wearable innovation. Galaxy Unpacked 2025 was all about refinement, intelligence, and a connected ecosystem. The S25 series, foldables, and wearables all see meaningful upgrades. Less about specs, more about smart features. Galaxy AI 2.0 is the thread tying everything together, making tech more proactive and helpful. The S25 Ultra's variable zoom and the Galaxy Ring's debut are standout innovations. Samsung's focus on long-term software support signals a shift to lasting value. The next test, how these features perform in real life, and how the competition responds. Expect AI and sensor tech to reach more devices soon. For now, Samsung has set a new bar for the industry, and everyone's watching what comes next.